Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package, as well as the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, you got that nice tow hitch, backup camera of course, we have mud flaps on the rear, and moving to the front real quick, as well as on the front, a nice gripped running board. We also have blind spot detection. And moving to the front real quick, we do have 2 tow hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. This vehicle does come with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. And we do have this nice gray cloth interior. We got 2 cup holders there, a 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 right there. We also have plenty of door space. And of course, if you need more space, you can always lift up the seats. Taking a look at the driver's side, now we can see here, we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. We do got storage down here as well, and plenty in the door. We have our parking brake lights, blind spot detection, and your tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 6.5 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your toggle-free main menu, phone and media, cruise control, volume, and voice. Looking right here, you do have your main screen here, which has my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Continue your look over here, you do have a fair bit of storage with the little pen holder, cup holders, storage right here with the USB and USB-C. You got a nice leather-wrapped center console here with plenty of storage down there. You have your drive mode, rear locking differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist. For your drive modes, you do get normal, slippery, off-road, as well as tow and haul, eco, and sport. Continue our look here, we have heated front seats, dual climate, 12 volt, 120. You got storage right here by just pressing that button there, and storage in the glove compartment. Looking right here, you have your auto stop, auto start, 360 view of your vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction. You also have a fair bit of storage right there as well, and up here we do have a nice rear window opener. Continue our look here, you have your audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities. You have your phone, navigation, your fave app, which you can select from these, messaging, email, your Wi-Fi hotspot, any apps you may have downloaded. There's that Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatibility, and your settings in general, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KD97561, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.